This video is to show you how to copy and paste from the documents you've been creating in your assignments into your final Google project. So I opened a Google Slides presentation. I'll give it a quick name. And then here we go, Ecosystem Project. Okay, so now what I want to do is I want to make a new slide. So I'm going to just duplicate my existing slide. But now I don't need this stuff. I'm going to get rid of that. That. And then we'll make a few more of these just so I have some blank slides to work with. So now I have my slide. So I don't know what order you want to put yours together, but let's say I'm going to copy my list of organisms over. So I come over, this is my document for organisms and abiotic factors. And we're going to copy. So I highlight it and I can go to Edit, Copy. Now, when you do that, if you look here, you can see this right here is telling you the keyboard sequence to do it. So I'm using a Mac computer. So if I push the Command key and C at the same time, if you're using a Chromebook or a PC, you'll do Control C. But Command C or Control C is the same thing as going to Edit, Copy. So now I've copied it. I'm going to go back over to my slideshow, and in here I can do Edit, Paste. And there is my table. I can drag that down over here, put it more in the middle. Now we can do some formatting if we want. So let's go and we'll make this, do the text color, how about bright yellow? Is that, oh, I did the border color. Oops, undo that. I'm going to do the fill color. Make that a nice dark blue. Then change the text. Let's see, where's my text color? That's what I want. Oh, here. And then the text color will make yellow. And then up top, let's move this down just a little bit. And then we can add a text box. So if you insert a text box, and then you just drag that open, and you can say organisms in my ecosystem. Okay? And so now there's a slide with the organisms. Now let's say we're going to go and create our abiotic factor slide. That we might not want to cut and paste exactly from here because that doesn't look that great. But what we might want to do is take each one individually, and again we'll do Edit, Copy. And we're going to come over to our slide, and this time we'll build this one, and we'll create a text box. So insert text box, create a box, and then paste that one. So Edit, Paste. So, and then we should probably put a title on it first. So one of the things you can do is just copy this. So select your text box, copy it, and then paste it, and paste it again, and paste it again. So we'll take this one and move it up top. Now you can just select all the words. Whoops. Can erase all of these. Oh goodness. Let me type it there. There we go. So now we can get rid of that text and write abiotic factors. And this will want to be much bigger. So I'm going to go choose maybe 30 for that. We can make this box about the right size to cover it. And we'll go, and let's move these down so we can tell them apart. So this one we know is right. Make the box a little smaller and the font a lot bigger. And then your next one, now we'll go back to here, copy that one. That time I did Command-C on the keyboard, a little faster sometimes. And then we'll edit this text box, paste in our new. Now that took the formatting from the other document. So that's not what we want. So anytime you make a mistake, if you can come back up to edit and you can undo. So we don't want that like it was. What we want to do this time is we're going to paste it without formatting because we want it to have the formatting of our document, not the old document. So we paste without formatting, and now we can, now it looks like what we want. And again, we'll make the font size bigger, and we'll make the box a little bigger. And that looks pretty good. And now we're on the last one. We'll do one more for this one. We're going right here, and we'll talk about the salinity. How about that? Copy. And oops. Paste. Did it again. So we want to do the special kind of paste, which is edit, paste without formatting. Now we're going to make this much larger. We'll make this box bigger. And now what we can do is line up these boxes. So if we hold down the Shift key while we select, it'll select all of them together. And now we can do this arrange. And so we can align them. We'll align them so they all line up the same on the left side. And now we have our abiotic factors listed in a nice, neat slide. I hope that helps. I hope it wasn't too much information all at once. If you have questions, let me know. We can go over it.